So, let me ask you one question. It's for your first time. First time you dance Michael Jackson?
No, I was born Michael Jackson. No.
Yeah, it's for your first time or not?
No, this is not. I got it.
You got it? Alright, 1 hour is enough? Alright, just put the music. So, Michael Jackson time, DJ, here we go! Yo, come on, everybody, clap your hands with the music! Yo, yo, hey! Clap your hands! Yo, 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 louder, louder, louder! Yo, wait. It's first time I see Michael Jackson just move the head. Come on, Falafel. Show us. Hilton Got Talent. Come on. Alright. Come on, DJ. Here we go. Alright. Come on, everybody, give up for Mr. Number 2. Okay, now we carry on with Mr. Number 3 from another planet. What are you gonna dance? Break dance or Michael Jackson?
Michael Jackson.
I can't hear you. Say again.
Is it Michael Jackson?
Michael Jackson? Okay. Come on, everybody, clap it for Mr. Number 3. Applaudismente. Come on, everybody. Alright, it's your first time dance Michael Jackson?
Yes, and I've got the latest dance for Michael Jackson.
They have everything the latest. Yeah. Right, sure. Surprise us. 3, 2, 1, DJ, here we go. Yeah, we know the latest of Michael Jackson. We need to see how he danced, how he was dancing. Come on, we're not finished. Oh, I know the way for you. Give him belly dance, please. Belly dance. Belly dance. Yeah. So you dance Michael Jackson? Yeah? Or belly dance? Belly dance or Michael Jackson? Choose. No, make me hear you, please. Belly dance, yeah? We give you the chance. You're lucky. Here we go. Alright, come on everybody.
الدنيا زي المرجحة يوم تحت وفوق فيها خلق عايشة ومرتاحة وفيها ناس مش فوق.
Alright, come on everybody, get up for Mr. Number 3! Okay. Oh, thank you. So we carry on Mr. Number 4, Palcia Applaudismenti di Russia! Dobra утро. Еще раз, где Россия? Слава Богу. Okay, Ivan, Michael Jackson or breakdance?
Michael.
Okay, Michael. Your first time dance Michael Jackson?
How do you think?
No, I'm asking you. Didn't saw you before.
Of course the first.
Or you dance, it's first time front of people or you dance before front of the mirror?
The first time I told Michael and near people.
Okay, don't worry, be happy. Okay, come on everybody, clap your hand for him, please. Faccia applaudismenti, давай! DJ Michael Jackson. Yo, come on, animation team, go! Yo, everybody, clap your hands. We call it in Egypt, let me dance. Adichas, давай. Alright, no problem, only inclusive. Come on, everybody, clap your hands. now we're going to the twins. What are you gonna choose? Break dance or Michael Jackson? You dance both of you together. Both of you together? Both of them together or separate? Together? Okay. So which dance you gonna dance?
Michael Jackson.
Are you? Sure? Positive? Okay. Okay. Come on, everybody, clap out for them, please. Support them. Okay. So, are you ready? Yeah? This is your first time? Never before. At all. How about you?
Yeah, same.
Never before. Alright. You don't know who he is? Alright, no problem. In Hilton you can know everything. Yeah? 1 hour is enough for you? Yeah? 3 hours. 3, 2, 1, mic and time, DJ, here we go. Yo! Everybody clap your hands. Right now, the same. The points, it depends on you. Okay? More clapping the hands,